بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وبه نستعين. الفيديو ده بيتكلم على جزء من يونت 1 شابتر 3 which is direct current dynamo or direct current electric generator. This is the direct current electric generator. Its structure is the same like alternating current electric generator except that the two metallic rings are replaced by a commutator. This commutator consists of two pieces insulated from each other. In the first case 1, the side CB will move in page, so thumb will points in of right hand will points in page, and the pointer will points from left to right, so the current will be in the direction shown by the red arrow to this piece of commutator, to this piece of commutator, to these metallic brushes, to that direction in the external circuit. Type. In case B, the side BA will move also in page by applying Fleming right hand rule, so the pointer will point from left to right and the thumb will point downward, so the current will move in direction of red arrow to this piece of commutator, to this metallic brush, to the external circuit in the same direction, so the current produced moves in the two half cycles in the same direction. Commutator is this commutator is a metallic cylinder formed of two halves insulated from each other. The function of commutator makes the current in the external circuit moves in the same direction. The current produced, as we see here, is in the same direction, but its intensity is changing from 0 to maximum each 1/4 cycle, and then from maximum to 0 in the second 1/4 cycle, and the current have the same direction in the two half cycles. The current here in same direction in external circuit in the two half cycles. This is done by the commutator, which is called unidirectional current. Here we have 4 steps. In step 1, the coil is perpendicular now to magnetic flux, so the induced EMF reduced will equal 0. Also, this side of the coil is in contact with the piece of commutator, but this piece of commutator is not in contact with the brush, so there is no current in the external circuit. Type. نيجي في step 2. The coil now is parallel to magnetic flux, so there will be a current. Its direction, this side moves in page, and this is the magnetic flux from north to south, so the current will be in that direction, which is denoted positive. يبقى الكرنت here moving like that to the half commutator, and this half commutator is in contact with the brush, leading to the current in that direction in the external circuit. Step 3, the coil is perpendicular to magnetic flux, so there is no current produced. Current will equal 0, and this side is in contact with this half of commutator, but the commutator is not in contact with the brush, so there is no current in the external circuit. In step 4, the coil is parallel to magnetic flux, so there will be current in that direction because this side will move in page, and this is the direction of magnetic flux, so the current will move in that direction to this half commutator, and this half commutator in contact with this brush leading to current in that direction, so current in the two half cycles is in the same direction, producing unidirectional current. This is the unidirectional current through the here. This is a complete cycle. This is the first half cycle, and this is the second half cycle. This current produced by a DC generator consists of one coil, and a commutator consists of two pieces, which is called unidirectional current produced by DC generator of one coil and the commutator of two pieces. Here we have some kinds of currents. Of course, this is an alternating current produced. This alternating current produced by AC generator, and this is a direct current produced by cells, and this is blasting current. Here we observe small variations in current intensity. Here we observe small variations in current intensity. This blasting current produced by direct current generator of n coils, number of coils. If we have here to produce that current, we have number of coils n between its small angles and the commutator of 2n pieces, because each coil needs two pieces of commutator to connect its ends. Each coil needs two pieces of commutator to connect its ends. يبقى البلاستنج current ده اللي هو فيه small variations in electric current intensity produced by direct current generator of n coils between its small angles and the commutator of 2n pieces.